Hi, Zach here. Thank you for joining us again. In this video, we're going to build a streaming video website. We're going to start off by using the Raytha platform and see how far we can push it completely out of the box. Eventually, we're going to run into a couple limitations. I'll explain what those are when we get there. But without further ado, let's get started. All right, we're starting off with a fresh installation of the Raytha platform. Here's our dashboard. I'm going to click Live Website. This is a blank canvas, so this is what we're starting with. For a video website, what I'm thinking is that, we'll have a tab at the top that says videos that you can click. I'm just going to grab, just for demonstration purposes, some default video kind of gallery style template off of Bootstrap's main website. So we're going to create a template using this along with the thumbnail. And then we'll also go ahead and create a detail view. So after you click the video thumbnail, it will then take you to the actual video, show it to you along with maybe some other key details. What I'm thinking to get started is to actually build out the templates using hard-coded data, just with fake titles, fake thumbnails, and just a hard-coded video we'll find somewhere online. This way we're comfortable with the layout and how it looks just from a starting point. After that, we're going to replace the hard-coded text with dynamic data that we would put in from the content management side and content management perspective. So first, let's go in and assemble the template into Raytha's templates just to see how it comes out. We're back in the Raytha admin portal. We're now on the left side, templates. We're going to create two templates. The first template is going to be the video list view. I'm going to head back over to the Bootstrap album template that they provide, and I'm going to inspect element. I'm an inspect element guy. I love clicking inspect element and just copying and pasting what I can grab. I'm not too skilled in front-end development, so just working in Bootstrap is super convenient for me. I'm going to paste that in here, and I really don't know what the result is going to be, so we'll take a look after we're ready. And then we're also going to create a detail view template for the video. And just for now, I'm going to put hello world, because I haven't really thought too much about how I want this to look like. Next, we're going to head over to posts. We're just going to repurpose this content type. We could create a new one, but just out of convenience, I'm going to repurpose this one and rename it from posts to videos. So now it says videos here on the left side. Now I'm going to head over back to the all posts. I'm just going to rename this view just so that we're consistent. Call this all videos. Save. I already have a published view, so I'm just going to rename the route to /videos and change the template to the new template that we created, the video list view. All right, let's go back to the live website and click raytha.com/videos. Okay, well, we have a starting point and we have somewhere to work from. Let's go ahead and clean up some of this template, improve some of the styling. We're back in the template for video list view. I believe all that we're missing is a container around it. So I grabbed some of the default code from the other list view that we work with, and we're just going to paste it in. We have a section and a div for the container. All right, that already looks a lot better. I'm thinking we'll rename blog to videos. Not that much of a fan of these buttons here. And we'll replace the thumbnail with a static image for now. That looks a little bit better. I went ahead and updated the HTML to reflect those changes that I wanted. Like, you guys don't see enough of my face already, but I think this is what I want to work with. And let's move on to the detail view. I'm just going to go ahead and bang out that HTML. You guys don't need to watch. It's not great content, but I'll show you the end result. I spent about 15 minutes assembling some HTML just to get a detail view here. This is what it looks like. I think it's good enough for this demonstration purposes. We have a video here at the top, the title, the duration of the video description, and then the creator of the video along with their bio, Twitter tag, and profile picture. I'll set it back to videos here at the top. So yeah, not bad after, about 25-30 minutes of messing around within the platform. We have our hard-coded HTML templates. We got to take this to the next level so that we can actually create and manage a video gallery website with our own content that we're posting. It doesn't really make sense for us to just modify the HTML every single time we want to post new video. So if we look at all the data points that we need, what we have is a video, a title, duration, content, an author, and those associated fields. If we go back to list view, we need a link to each individual detail view. Here's the title, but here's the thumbnail. And this is the duration again. So I think we have a pretty good idea of all the fields that we need to tie the template to our data model. So let's just go back into the admin portal and create the remaining fields on our data model and content types. We're going to head over to our settings and fields for our videos content type. We already have our title and content, which can serve as our description field, but we still need those other fields. So let's go ahead and create the duration field. We'll just say duration, and we'll say it's a number field type, and it is required. Thumbnail, which is a attachment, the actual video file. We're still missing the creator, but a creator might be listed on multiple videos. So it wouldn't make sense necessarily to just add some creator fields like name and profile picture in this model, because then you'd have to be retyping that information every single time. Instead, we should create a new content type called creator. Now that we have our creator model built out and some fields, I'm going to add myself as a creator. Excellent. Let's head back over to videos and add that author field or creator field. If we head back over to all videos and edit that sample that we already have, you can see all these fields are empty because we've now added new ones. So I'm going to spend some time adding a couple samples with some data that I have and some videos I have laying around on my computer. We'll actually be able to see some real data get pulled from our content models onto the templates after we wire them together. All right, we're back on our live site, and if I click videos, it's now pulling 3 sample videos I added to the Raytha admin portal, along with the thumbnails that I uploaded and the title and duration with a link to the detail view. All of this is in the template, which we'll take a look at in a second. And then it takes us to the detail view, which again shows us a video and title, duration, but a longer description content, as well as the creator and their profile picture, name, Twitter handle, and bio. The HTML and liquid syntax for this, not very complicated at all. We can head back over to the admin portal. Let's go to templates and search for video for the 2 templates that we created earlier. Our list view, super basic. This was all that we needed for the liquid syntax to loop through the videos on that page. And the image is pulling from the thumbnail field that we created, again, all through insert variable that you can search on here on the right side and click insert variable. And we use a liquid syntax filter provided by Raytha to populate the proper route for how to locate that image. Here's our title. Route path. So this is how it knows to access the detail view. And this is the duration field along with the min's hard-coded text right there. So pretty simple list view. That's all it really took to wire this up to the list view template. And let's head back over to the detail view for the video. This had a bit more HTML, but still not too bad. We have a back to videos link at the top. This is pulling from the video field this time. This is the video HTML. Our title, our content, and this is the author card at the bottom. As you can see, it's pulling from the related field because we added the author as a one-to-one relationship field. Is pulling from the creator and their profile picture along with their name, Twitter handle, and bio, which we've truncated up to 280 characters. We can go and we can edit our videos at any time. We can click edit, change the information on any of this. We have our settings, we have revisions, so we have full control over the content that is posted here in the back end. That's all we achieved with the Raytha platform completely out of the box by simply adding content types and then adding some templates, wiring them together with some liquid syntax. Pretty good in a very short period of time. But at the top of the video, I did mention that we would be running up against a couple limitations. So what are those limitations? Well, the main limitation is in providing high quality, longer form videos to your website visitors. What you're seeing here was a pretty naive approach in simply uploading an MP4 video and wrapping that into an HTML video tag. That might be okay for short, very small videos. In this sample, it's only about 10 seconds. But if you're providing long videos, then you might encounter a couple issues, including people's browsers may not always be able to play an MP4 video. So you might need to have those videos encoded in multiple formats. Additionally, you could have bandwidth limitations where if you have really large and long videos, if you have a lot of traffic hitting these pages, it's going to force the download of all of those videos and could ramp up and max out your bandwidth bill. Nobody wants that. So really the next step, if you're going to have a video streaming website, would be to leverage services such as Cloudflare Stream and Mux.com. These are two great providers for streaming video, where you would send your MP4 to these services and they would encode it into multiple formats and then provide the actual output stream to your visitors. This would be the best option for video heavy websites. But if you just have a very small website, using these MP4 files is probably fine. Just wanted to put that out there, that the next step would be to use a proper video hosting service, which we may show how to integrate into the Raytha platform in a future video. So don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more content and learn a bit more about how to build .NET web applications and software engineering in general. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Please check out Raytha.com. Check out the Raytha platform. It is a free and completely open source .NET starter kit and content management system. It helps developers launch applications extremely quickly, and we're always looking for feedback and contributors. So we'd love for you to participate in that. Have a great one, and we'll see you in the next video.